Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make reverse slow motion video on TikTok account. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your TikTok account, tap on TikTok, and from here you tap on plus icon, tap on this. From here you make a one video. You guys can see, tap on red button and make a video, and after that tap on right side plus icon, tap on this. From here you tap on effect, tap on effect, and after that scroll left side and tap on time. From here you guys can see reverse option, tap on this. You guys can see. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.